I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the sheet and locating the problem cells. Are they formatted with currency, or do they contain literal dollar characters? First actionable step, select the range with numbers showing dollar signs. If values are text, note that you'll use find and replace. If they are formatted as currency, you'll change number format. Make a quick copy of the sheet or range. This ensures you can revert if something goes wrong. Once done, move to the formatting controls. You now change display formatting. With the range selected, go to Format, Number, then More Formats, and open Custom Number Format. Remove the dollar symbol from the format pattern, or simply choose plain number to strip currency styling. Make sure to check negative, decimal, and thousand separator patterns so values look correct. This fixes visual dollar signs while preserving numeric values for calculations. Once applied, inspect a few cells to confirm if the dollar is part of the cell text. Use Edit, Find, and Replace. Search for dollar and replace with nothing. Set search to the right range and click Replace All. If you need numbers rather than text, wrap substitute in value. For example, put value, substitute $1 in a helper column and copy values back. Make sure to also remove commas or non-breaking spaces that can block conversion. If things go wrong, check for hidden characters and rerun substitute. Keeping the sheet copy lets you recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.